In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Confluence. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to link to web pages and Confluence content, plus how to choose the display that looks best on your page. First, log into your Confluence account. Once you're in, choose the space in the page you want to work with. This ensures your links land exactly where your teammates expect to find them and keeps related content organized in the right place. Let's start with the simplest approach, pasting a URL directly. Copy the address from your browser, then paste it onto the page using Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. As soon as it lands, Confluence recognizes it and creates a link for you. Click that link to choose how it should display. If you pick URL, you'll see the raw web address, which is great for technical audiences who want to copy it quickly. Inline shows the page title with a small icon, making your content cleaner and easier to read. Card turns the link into a rich preview with a thumbnail and summary, which is helpful for drawing attention to important references. And Embed lets you view supported content like a YouTube video or a Figma file directly on the page so readers don't have to navigate away. If a site doesn't support Embed or a preview doesn't load due to permissions, simply switch to card or inline for a consistent look. Now, the toolbar method is perfect when you want to link specific words or phrases. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link. In the top editor toolbar, click the chain link icon. In the pop-up, paste your link if you're pointing to an external site. If you're linking to a Confluence page, you can also search by name right in that pop-up and select the correct page. This keeps your anchor text clean and descriptive, which improves readability and helps teammates understand what they'll see when they click. After adding the link, click it to preview how it behaves. If you need to change the display, select the link and adjust the option to match your page style. Clear, descriptive linking makes pages easier to scan and reduces confusion, especially on long documents or team spaces with lots of references. That's it. Two quick methods for adding hyperlinks in Confluence, plus the best ways to present them. Practice both so you can choose the right approach for each page. Thanks for watching.